Namaskar. Friends, once there was a trainer who was very skilled, who was very experienced, very capable. He was a certified trainer. One day he joined an institute. From the first day, he started teaching group discussion and interview skills. Throughout the 2 months of training, he only taught group discussion and interview skills. The training got over. After 2 months, the students went up to the management of the institute and said that, "Sir, we are not at all satisfied with the training of the trainer." The management was shocked. The management asked to the students that what exactly happened? Why are you not satisfied? The students said that our objective was not fulfilled. The management asked that what exactly was your objective? The student said our objective was we needed improvement in grammar, we needed improvement in accent, we needed improvement in communication, public speaking, etc. But our trainer only taught us about GD and interview. So dear friends, I want to ask you a question. What exactly went wrong? Was the trainer not capable enough? Was the trainer not efficient enough? Of course, the trainer was highly skilled, highly qualified, highly experienced, and he was a certified trainer. However, he did not take the pain of understanding the exact requirements of the students, and that is why the whole training process became unsuccessful. Friends, it's very simple. If you talk about spirituality in front of youth people, they may not get interested. If you talk about live-in relationships, clubbing, etc. in front of senior citizens, they may not get interested. If you talk about business, job, organizational behavior in front of small school students, they may not get interested. So moral of the story is, जैसा देश वैसा भेष. देश के हिसाब से हमें भेष बदलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एम्प्लॉयज़ के हिसाब से हमें ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उसके लिए we need to understand the exact requirements of the employees. How to understand the exact requirements of the employees? We can use several assessment tools. We can go for competency mapping, we can go for psychometric tests, we can directly interact with the clients, we can conduct one-to-one interview sessions, we can also talk to the management people to know the exact requirements of the employees before training. Thank you so much.